Norway, majestic fjords, crisp air, rugged mountains, a land of beauty and extremes. Here in northern climates, installing an air-conditioned and ventilation system isn't just about fresh air. It's about maintaining balance, preserving peace indoors, while respecting the wild outdoors. First things first, selecting the right unit. Capacity, efficiency, and adaptability to cold winters are key. Make sure the system can handle both your summer heat and sub-zero temperatures. Next, proper installation. Insulation, sealing, and placement matter. Every joint sealed, every duct insulated, every gap closed. It all ensures your system runs quietly and efficiently. As this system goes in, notice the contrast: wild outside, comfort inside. That's where good design, good work, and respect for nature meet. In Norway, comfort isn't luxury, it's harmony all year round.